But we're wrapping up today's day. It's been fairly volatile and a bit of a roller coaster ride. I think one of those historic days that the market participants wouldn't forget in a long, long time. But let me hand it over to Vinny to help us with the market close. Over to you, Vinny.
Absolutely, a roller coaster ride. You termed it right. That's what we're seeing for the Nifty. We had seen a sharper fall coming in for the Nifty. 21,281 is the lowest level for the Nifty 50 today. Intraday recovered for them from those levels, but not at the day's highest point. Good recovery is what they managed to see, but still down 5.6% in trade. That's what we're closing at, below the 22,000 mark as of now. 21,954 is what the Nifty will be closing at today. Clearly, we saw that fall coming in the markets, and there was no stopping of that. Let's look at the bank Nifty as well. PSU bank specifically, all of them, the PSU side, so Nifty PSU bank, Nifty PSE, sharper falls and sharper cuts is what we saw coming in at one point of time, down more than 18% is what these sectors were doing, and PSUs clearly were the sharp falls and sharp moves that we saw for the Nifty PSU bank. So other than that, what actually saw some bit of a green today, some bit of that shine was the FMCG pack. Now this is also coming into play because a lot of factors for FMCG work out. They underperformed the Nifty on the YTD basis. Other than that, obviously, in terms of now, given the current scenario in terms of the counting that we have seen, seems like everyone will have to focus on the consumption side, the staple side, and that is why FMCG pack, when you look at it, Nestle, HUL, Britannia, Dabur, Marico, Tata Consumers, any of the FMCG names that you pick, they were the only ones that were shining bright in trade today. Holding on to very, very strong gains was the FMCG pack. Let me pull up the PSU names again, right? So all of the PSU banks, whether you look at an SBI or whether you look at a PNB, IOB Bank, Union Bank, all of them have seen a sharper fall today, and that is the clear pressure that's coming on the PSUs. Other than that, also Coal India, GAIL, the PSEs also, they were the ones which saw a fall as well. So Coal India, GAIL, all of them also seeing down and out in trade. Nothing exciting happening for any of them. See the fall, 17, 18% for HAL. So the defensive sides which had seen a run up, nothing sort of that holding on right now in terms of a move for the pack. Other than that, we had metals. So let's pull up something like a Hindalco. What was that doing? Because that did see a bit of a recovery. Whether that recovery managed to hold on for Hindalco, seems like it, So yes, Hindalco also closing in the red, but we're seeing sharper falls for this pack as well. So other than FMCG, we had all the sectors which were in the red today, and we've seen clear very sharp cuts that came in overall for the markets. Now let's look at what other than that we're seeing is that when you look at the financials industries also, that was also clearly all the financials were under pressure. We had seen names like when you look at it in terms of moves that came in from the Adani group of names, very, very sharp falls. So Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises at one point of time, and again they're back to the 20% mark. They did see a bit of a recovery, but again those Adani names also have been under pressure. So yes, today a weakness that we are seeing coming in the trade, whether you look at the Nifty, Bank Nifty, nothing of that sort managed to hold on to gains. Advance decline ratio, clearly there's no doubt about it, in the favor of decline versus advances is what we saw, and that pressure seems like has been continuing. And in terms of the Nifty 50 also, what saw a sharper fall today in terms of a move was ONGC, NTPC, SBI as well as L&T. So that's how we're ending the market. We had seen off the day's lowest point, but not much of a recovery there. That's the day for today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.